FET335 technology element. Which of the following is a technology that is used for establishing a network connection between remote communication sites through a public network, e.g. the Internet, as if the leased line were virtually used? A. IPv6, B. IPVPN, C. PBX, or D. VoIP. So let's have a look at the concept of a VPN, or a virtual private network. It is a private network that is built over public infrastructure, such as the Internet. It enables users to send and receive data across shared or public networks, as if their computing device were directly connected to the private network. Functionality, security, and management policies allow VPN users to securely access a network from different locations via public telecommunications network, most frequently the Internet. VPN that is implemented on the Internet of the public line is called the IPVPN, or the Internet VPN. Here we can see a diagram of what a VPN would look like. Here we have a home user, a remote user, and another remote user over here. These can all access the private network here in the file server and the intranet at the office through this firewall. As we mentioned here, functionality, security, and management policies allow these VPN users to securely access a network from different locations using, in this case, the Internet as the intermediary and the public communication network. VPN is a technology that uses authentication technology and also encryption technology so that a public line can be used like a virtual dedicated line. Originally, it was a technology used for telephone lines, but as Internet connections became more commonly available, IPVPN was designed for usage on the Internet, which is a public network. Its advantage is the cost reduction compared to actually building the dedicated line. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Let's have a look at an explanation of some of the other answers. In A, IPv6, or Internet Protocol version 6, is the latest standard of the IP protocol used on the Internet. The IP protocol widely used at present is IP version 4, or IPv4, and is composed of 32 bits. However, due to the rapid growth in the number of Internet users, there were concerns that IP addresses would be exhausted. Therefore, IPv6 was formulated to solve this problem. Since IPv6 is composed of 128 bits, it allows for an enormously large number of IP addresses in comparison with IPv4. In addition, packets encryption and authentication of the packet sender are also provided as standard functions. In C, PBX, or Private Branch Exchange, is used for the connection between internal phones and the public line. In D, VoIP, or VoIP, is Voice over Internet Protocol, or Voice over IP. This is a technology that implements the so-called Internet phone, where audio is converted into a digital data and stored in IP packets for communication. Special tools are required for using it, and in many cases, the counterparties that can be dialed are also restricted. However, since a normal IP network is used, communication charges are less expensive and independent of talking distance. Here we can see the answer is B. In this video, we've looked at different systems that can be used on public communication networks, namely the Internet, and also how the IPv4 and IPv6 differ.